In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Trello board connected to Outlook so your due dates and events can show up right where you plan your day. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Trello account so you can access your boards. Once you're in, head to the boards view. This is where all your workspaces and boards live. Pick the board you want to connect to Outlook and open it. Make sure you have permission to manage power-ups on this board. If you're in a team workspace, you might need admin access or approval, depending on your organization's settings. With the board open, look for the Power-Ups option in the board header or menu. It may appear as a plug or puzzle-style icon. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel. From there, select Add Power-Ups to browse the directory. This is Trello's marketplace for extensions that add extra features to your boards. If the directory doesn't load right away, give it a moment or refresh the page and try again. In the search bar at the top of the directory, type Outlook Calendar. You'll see a list of results. Click on the option labeled Outlook Calendar for Trello by Krill Solutions. This is the power-up designed specifically to bridge Trello and Microsoft Outlook. On the power-up page, review the description and any notes about plans or permissions so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Add to install it on your board. If you see a confirmation prompt, click Add again to finalize. That double confirmation is normal and simply ensures you're adding it to the correct board. Once added, the power-up will appear on your board, usually under the power-ups section. From here, you'll typically see options to open or configure the integration. If you're prompted to connect your Microsoft account, use your standard Outlook or Microsoft 365 credentials and approve the requested permissions so your calendar can sync with Trello. If your organization manages Microsoft permissions, you may need an admin to approve access before events can appear. A few tips as you wrap up. Keep your Trello due dates accurate since those are often what's synced to your calendar. If the calendar doesn't update right away, allow a few minutes or refresh Outlook. And if you work across multiple boards, repeat this process on each board you want connected. That's it. Your Trello board is now integrated with Outlook Calendar. Thanks for watching and happy planning.